Hey everyone, we will make a beautiful hairstyle today for the kids. Tie the hairs as shown in the video, divide them into 4 sections. After that, we will divide them into 2 parts on the top. Roll the hairs like this and then fold them together as shown in the video. Follow the same process for the other side as well. After rolling them, we will fix them together by tying it on the alternative sides and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie a high ponytail. Now divide the hairs into 2 parts. After that, we will take the upper part, divide it into 2 parts and then tie it in the downside of the second part. Now again repeat the process. Keep following till the end, tie all the hairs like this and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the ponytail on the sides. Now make a plaits on small section. Now tie rest of the hairs and divide it from the between and then rotate it. Fix the plaited part inside the hairs like this. Make a bow on the top, tie it using a rubber band and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the hairs on the sides like this. Now fix the ribbon or the thread on the hair and then rotate it like this. After that, we will divide the hairs into 2 parts and make the plaits on the each part like this by fixing the thread. Now join them together and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the hairs like this on the back. After that, we will divide it into 2 parts. Now, we will make the plaits on the back like this. So here we will take a small section from the sides and put it in the between from the sides like this. Keep repeating the process. So here we are making the plaits but with little different technique. Join the hairs till the end and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, make the ponytail on the sides. After that, fix the ribbon. Now fix the ribbon by making the plaits like this. Join the hairs. Follow the same process for the other side as well. Join it till the end and tie it from the bottom. So watch the technique how we are fixing the hairs and join it as shown. And it's ready. Thanks for watching.